Hey guys, this is Mike with FarmPost. I just wanted to go over this brand new feature we just released today, and that is farm employee management. You know what that includes? That includes hour tracking and task management for all of your employees. This is going to make your operation more efficient, more profitable. Coming in, we're going to go ahead and just take a look at the dashboard of the website. You can do this from the app too, but this is the farm owner side of the website platform. As you can see in the top right-hand corner, I'm already signed in as a user. I've already created my account. I've already done the login. What I'm going to do from here is I'm going to select this new button up top that says employee management. The first page it's going to take us to is one of my employees who's already tracking hours using the platform. He's a truck driver. If I come in here, it shows exactly what his hours were, start and end time, total hours for the day, and we're even assisting in payroll. Now, any times in here, they can all be exported. So if you want to export by payroll, if you want to export by month, you want to export for the entire year, we can help you do that, break down those hours and see what your cost of spending at the end of the year is. Over on the right-hand side, you can select through one employee, you can select through a couple of them. You can have one employee on here, or you can have 100. There is no limit as of right now how to do that. Coming in once again, my employees are already in here, and you can categorize your hours, which is super cool, super useful. As you can see, Saturday, this previous Saturday, my guy was in there. He worked in the combine for a little bit first thing in the morning, and then did hog chores right before that. He left some notes in there about running water meds in the east side of the building because a couple of them had a cough. Sunday, he went back in, did hog chores. Monday, once again, I can see what time he showed up. He took care of hog chores right away, and then I can see what he did for the entire day because he actually kept track of it, took notes, categorized it. For this pay period, like I said, once again, I can already see what he's made. So when I go to do my payroll, I can already see the total number of hours. It's already broken down with his payroll, etc. Adding a user, super easy. Let's just go over to this next tab, the user tab. What this is basically a list of all the employees you've got on your system. As you can see, I've got a couple of test users in here. I've got a couple actual guys in here right now. Adding a user, you just select this button in the top right-hand corner. All you have to do is have their name, their pay rate, and their email. What this does as soon as you add somebody in here by selecting the pay rate, the pay period, etc., is it shoots them an email and says, hey, click on this link, sign up here. As soon as they log into the app or the website, they can immediately start tracking hours, and you're seeing a lifetime feed of what hours they're working and what they're actually doing. Now let's talk about the next best thing, and that is task management. The task management side of this is going to be huge for everyone who has those conversations in the shop that are half an hour long every single morning with all of their employees, or is leaving town. We're working on equipment. We're in the field. We're in a hurry. We want to get stuff done. We don't want to waste time. As you can see in here, I've already got completed tasks. I've got some that are not completed. When you create a task, you can go in, you can select it for the next rain day. You can select it for tomorrow. It can be a daily task, or it can be something that's like not even relevant to right now. And just whenever somebody gets slow and doesn't have much to do, they can go ahead and knock it out. As you can see, I've got a couple of them on here. We're gonna go ahead and view one. This one in particular is we just put a bunch of modules and a bunch of systems on our planner. Now we've got a module in every single row with a bunch of cabling. So I went ahead and put it in here that whenever the guys get to it, go ahead and tie those cables, leave them just like a little loose. That way they're not getting pinched or stretched out whenever that row unit starts flexing going across the field, but I don't want them getting caught in anything. As soon as someone completes that task, it'll send me an alert to my email and my phone saying that task was completed by such and such user. For example, John or Michael. As soon as one of them finishes something, it sends me an alert telling me that it got done. It timestamps it and it records it in here so I can come back and view it at a later date. Adding a task is super simple. Come in here, create a title, and we'll just do test task. We're going to do test description. So we're going to make the priority high, and I'm going to say this needs done today. I'm going to assign everybody to it. I'm going to add a picture. It's because I want them to know exactly what I'm talking about when I'm looking at this, a picture of the cat. Go ahead and create the task. Boom. What this just did is it just sent an alert out to their phone, and it just sent an alert out to their email saying that there's a new task that is high priority that needs done today. Got into both of them. Now, the first one to go ahead and accept that task, it'll remove it from the task list of the other employee, and it'll let me know, as I mentioned, when that task is complete. The final new thing here is categorizing their hours. This helps you kind of like look back at the end of the year, then each month of where your employees or where your weak spots or your expensive spots actually are. For instance, I've got livestock in here for chores, sorting out, load outs, building, lot maintenance, medicating, etc. At the end of the year, by the time we pay all the bills and stuff, I want to see exactly where that hog building is landing on that profit sheet. If we can limit some of that spend, make it cheaper on the employee side of things, that's awesome. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to see how much it actually costs us over the course of a month, over the course of a year, what it costs you to go out and custom farm somebody else's field per hour, as far as like equipment, labor, etc. This is another way for you to keep track of your employees, keep track of your time, and keep track of your spend. Once again, we're always just looking out for you in ways that we can save you money, make you more profitable, and make you more efficient. So I hope you guys like it. I'd love to get your feedback. Thanks.